at your home. Now, we have finished our chapter 3. Now we are going to start our new chapter, chapter 4. This is our part 1 and the name of the chapter is long and short. Now, what is long and what is short? As you have seen in your earlier classes, what is long and what is short. So here, when we are comparing two things or when we are comparing these two lines, so we can say that this is long and this is short. When you are standing towards a tree is long and you are short. So here is the difference of this word long and short. So we will continue our chapter, this long and short, on this page number 46 in our textbook. Okay, we'll go through many interesting points in our textbook. This is our new chapter, chapter 4, long and short. This is our page number 46. Now, Lali is selling things at her father's shop. A farmer comes to buy rope. Lali is a girl. She is selling things. वो अपने फादर के शॉप पर चीज़ों को सेल कर रही थी. Here, a farmer comes to buy rope. ये फार्मर है. He comes to buy this rope. Can you give me 7 arms of rope? आप मुझे क्या 7 arms इक्वल रोप दे सकते हैं? Here is your 7 arms of rope. So लाली ने अपने आर्म से मेज़र करके दे दिया. But this is only 6 arms long. अब लाली ने अपने आर्म से 7 मेज़र करके दिया. Then फार्मर ने उसे अगेन मेज़र किया, तो उनके आर्म से मेज़र किया तो वो 6 आर्म लॉन्ग निकला. ओके, इट मीन्स लाली के और फार्मर के आर्म लेंथ में डिफरेंस था. ओके, वाई डोंट यू मेजर योर आर्म्स विद दिस रोप्स एंड टेक 7 टाइम्स ऑफ दैट लेंथ. आप ऐसा कर सकते हैं कि आप मेज़र करें उस लेंथ को अपने आर्म से. वंस आप मेज़र कर लो और उसे 7 टाइम कर लो, आप ले लीजिए. सो द फार्मर मेजर्स his arms with the rope and Lali gave him 7 times that much rope. Measure your arm and your mother's arm. What is the difference? अब आपको क्या करना है? अपने आर्म्स को मेज़र करना है और देन अपने मदर के आर्म्स को मेज़र करना है. अब आप मेज़र कैसे करोगे? आपके पास में, आपकी मम्मा के पास में मेज़रिंग टेप होगा जिससे क्लॉथ मेज़र करने के लिए यूज़ करते हैं. सो आप उसकी हेल्प से अपने आर्म्स को मेज़र करो और फिर मदर के आर्म्स को मेज़र करो. फिर उसका डिफरेंस फाइंड आउट करो कि कितना डिफरेंस है. हियर वी आर कंप्लीटिंग अवर पेज नंबर 46. नाउ कम टू अवर पेज नंबर 47. हियर हाउ मैनी. फर्स्ट इज इन हाउ मैनी स्टेप्स विल दामजी क्रॉस द रोड. यहाँ पर ये दामजी हैं, ये रोड क्रॉस कर रहे हैं. सो हाउ मैनी स्टेप्स ही नीडेड टू क्रॉस द रोड. सो हियर वी आर मेजरिंग. दिस इज 1 centimeter अराउंड. ओके, सी हियर दिस legs are, both the legs are around 1 centimeter. So here this is 1 centimeter, then again 1, 1, 1, 1. So how many steps he needed? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many steps? 6 steps he needed. So next is how many cups can be placed in a line on this table. So here we are going to measure cups. Here we are using centimeters. So here around on table, we are measuring on table. Okay, from the bottom around 2 centimeter 3 cups. Okay, again 3 cups on 2, then the remaining part is around. So here also we can place 2 cups. Okay, so 3 plus 3 plus 2 become 8. So how many cups? 8 cups. I will show you after drawing. See, in this we have 8 cups. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So answer is 8 cups. Next is, how many pots can be placed to reach the tree branch? यहाँ पर हमें कितने pots रखने हैं? So first of all we are going to measure this. This is also around 1 and 1.5. Okay, so again 1.5 we put here. Okay, 1.5 here, 1.5. Okay, then 1.5. So it's around. So here we can be placed 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many pots? So 6 pots to reach the tree branches. Okay, next, how many shirts can be hung on this wire? So first of all we are going to measure this shirt also. So it is around 3 centimeter. Okay, and this again 3 centimeter put here. Here 1, 3 centimeter, then again 3 centimeter. Okay, so around here 3 shirts are hung on this wire. So answer is 3 shirts. Here we are completing our page number 47. Come to our next 48. Now come to our page number 48. Here, how much in is a centimeter? Centimeter लेंथ मेजर करने के लिए यूनिट होती है. Okay, here when we are looking towards this scale, here this small lines 0 to 1, 1 to 2, 2 to 3 are centimeters. In centimeter we have 10 millimeters, 10 lines, small 10 lines, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we have 10 small lines between this 1 centimeter. Okay, here this we have to measure this lizard in centimeters. So here it is, see here it is around 13 centimeter. Okay, this is 13 centimeters. This lizard is around 13 centimeter. And this matchstick, so this matchstick is around 4 centimeters. See here we are measuring it from 0, okay, up to 4 it is. So it is 4 centimeter. In this way we have to measure many more things like this board, okay, and this dies and this leaf. This is 1 centimeter. This is 1 centimeter. This dies 1 centimeter. Measurement of this wax crayon. Here this dotted line we have to measure. It is 7 centimeter, or this gap is around 1 centimeter, so we can count this also. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So it is 7 centimeter. Similarly here also this is 1, 2, 3, 4. So it is 4 centimeter. Here Okay, on the basis of this things, we have to answer the following questions. The matchstick is 4 centimeters long. The die is 1 centimeter from every side. Its all sides are equal, as you know. A square has all sides equal. The lizard is 13 centimeters long. Here it is 13 centimeter long, as I told you earlier. This 13 centimeter long. The leaf is blank centimeters long. So answer is 4 centimeter long. So write 4 centimeter long here. The wax crayon is 7 centimeters long. Here we had measured here 7 centimeter long. Right here 7. Now look at a scale that you find in a geometry box. How many centimeter does it have? So here we have this scale. We have this scale in our geometry box. So it is 15 centimeter long. It is starting from 0 and up to 15. So right here it has 15 centimeters. Here we are completing our page number 48. We will continue this chapter in our next class.